Welcome to Tangan's YouTube channel. In this video may help you to replace a battery watch. This is Casio brand watch. Find the opening slot. Before that, remove the watch strap first for easy work. Use a knife tool to open the back cover by twist up the watch slot. Open the plastic cover. Lift up the battery. Insert a new battery. Put back the plastic cover. Close with back cover. Press harder, or you may use press tool or jig. Press until click sound heard mean that it is locked. Insert back the watch strap. Adjust until PIN slot in. Adjust back your time. Thank you for watching and please subscribe guys.